back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Right now, it's been, honestly, I don't know how long. The Veloster N needs to be washed. My Jeep needs to be washed. The new car wash place that I've been going to, like that's near us, is not the greatest place. So I am just gonna wash the car here myself. I'm just gonna use the 2-bucket method. Nothing too crazy. I did get some, I have some stuff. I do have the power washer, but I like this foam cannon that you can use with a normal hose. I'll see how this works. If it doesn't work well, I can use the pressure washer, but I want to see how this thing works. Remember when I did that deal with Hydro Silex? I still have some wheel cleaner, so I'm still gonna wash the wheels and everything like that. I don't know, I want to spend some time trying to get this thing a little bit better because it's literally been so, it is so dirty. Jump into this thing. Let's get this car cleaned. Let's go. So much better. I am so happy we got this. Like, I got the Veloster just looking clean. Honestly, it does my soul so much good to just come out and just be in the garage. Like, even though the garage still, we have so much more work to do to get it like where I want everything to be, it makes my heart so much happier. Yo, just look at this thing. So clean. I try to get the wheels as clean as I possibly could. They're still not the best, but I mean, it looks better for now. I gotta get the Jeep cleaned. The Jeep is still filthy from last time we went off-roading, but it looks so much better. I've been driving the Veloster a lot around. My wife's been taking the Jeep, so I don't know. I hate driving a dirty vehicle, especially out here. Everyone keeps their car so clean and immaculate. So I'm happy that's taken care of. We have more stuff coming up, but I'm just happy that this is taken care of right now. It is, what time is it? 11:26 p.m. Just got a video done being edited. I think I'm gonna upload it tonight. I'm exhausted, but got one video done that is gonna go up on the theme park channel. So that should be going up. This video that I'm filming, this vlog should be going up later, probably like early next week. Then I do have another video, which I am going to be filming tomorrow. That should be going up, hopefully this weekend. So, lots of videos to do. Always getting work done. Okay guys, so this is actually like a little behind the scenes of another video that I just filmed where actually I'm still filming it right now, where I am installing these new headlights on here. I don't know if I want to run the daylight headlights aspect, because if I wire it up, it's gonna always cut on when I cut the car on. I kind of still like having the like option to not have your headlights on when you turn the car on. That's just me. But yeah, so we will see. I don't know, but it's kind of like the behind the scenes of it. Nothing too crazy. I don't know what time is it right now. It is going on like 5:45. Are we wanted to go see the Batman tonight? I don't know if we are. We'll see. Also, on a quick side note, it is cold out here, man. I'm like not used to this. I'm not used to this at all. We moved to LA to get away from the cold. I mean, it's not like cold, but it's kind of chilly. So we'll see. Let me button this up and then I'll see what we're gonna do. But yeah, this is a couple days later. I'm actually at a car wash trying to wash my car. I was gonna wash the car when I got home at some point in time, but I'm gonna just pull up at this car wash and see if I can wash my car real quick. I drove Angelia to work today. Normally she drives herself, but today, like sometimes I'll just drive her. Yeah. Let's get this Jeep washed because this thing is absolutely filthy. I'm just filming this on the GoPro real quick. So if you're wondering why the quality changed, that's the reason why. I don't have anything to dry the car off with. I don't think I do, but I have stuff at home, so it's fine. Let's get this Jeep clean because it's still like dirty from when we went off-roading like, I don't know how long ago. So let's get it cleaned off real quick. Finally clean, finally after I don't know how long. Actually looks really good inside the daylight. Forgot how clean this Jeep looks. It's also like really cool just to know like this Jeep will never have like salt on it. So I won't have any rusting issues. It's kind of crazy, like every vehicle out here. Yeah, you pretty much won't have like the salting issues like with, you know, snow and like they salt the roads. I still always wash the undercarriage of it though, but not bad, not bad. I think it looks pretty good. Perfect. This is not a great wash, but it was just like really dirty because we went off-roading and there was just dirt and mud. I don't want the mud to stick to like the frame and stuff like that either. So the paint on this Jeep is like it's not perfect at all. It's gotten scratched up too, even going off-roading, going through like some bushes and stuff like that. But I think it looks okay. I think eventually I'm gonna do like a wrap on it, but I think it looks okay though. At least for me, this is like totally fine. The Veloster's paint is still in pretty good shape, even though there's like some issues a lot of people said though with the paint is kind of thin. I can kind of see that in the front of it, like some parts there's some like chips, but I think overall though it's still in pretty good shape. But yeah, I could definitely tell like in the front there was some chips.